Place Your Link 2.0. Hey my friends, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Place Your Link 2.0. This is being launched by Dawood Islam and his partner Elaine Baker. It goes live May 12th at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, that is New York time. And Place Your Link 2.0 is a system that allows you to get daily traffic to any link that you want. It is complete newbie friendly, works in any niche, no videos, no list required. So we're going to look at this. I have members area, as you can see here. So we're going to check all this out. We're going to check out their bonuses. We're going to check out my exclusive bonuses that you're not going to want to miss, plus my mega bonus bundle of 100 bonuses, giving them all to you for free.
Yes!
Yeah. All right, my friends, so we're going to check out all that and a lot more, so I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, guys, and thank you for being here. This is my channel, Kieran Hogg, and this is where I do product reviews, tech reviews on how to make money online, affiliate marketing specifically. So please like, subscribe, and comment. If you haven't already, hit that bell button so you're going to be notified, and you can check out this link here if you want to get some elite affiliate marketing lifetime expertise, and you can also have my free training right there. All right, you guys, so here it is, Place Your Link 2.0. Let's learn a little bit more about this product in my bonus page. So I'm going to take you over here, and it says, this is going to stay up, by the way, until Sunday, May 15th. You've got till midnight on Sunday, May 15th to get all my bonuses here. So we're going to see, it says press one button to get free daily traffic to any link. No experience, email list, or tech skills required. So if you are new, or if you are struggling with some of the tech related things with affiliate marketing, this is going to be something that you're going to want to learn more about. Okay. So guys, here are the prices and the upsells. So this is a one-click system. You just enter any URL of your choice, or an extra 5 links if they take the pro version. So if you get the pro, you're going to get 5 times more links. So you can consider that as you're watching this review. And the benefits from free daily traffic. We're going to check out all the prices and upsells in a moment, guys. This video, my apologies, it links to one of Dawood's previous products, okay? So Dawood Islam, he creates a lot of products related to affiliate marketing. This one was linked incorrectly, my apologies. Before we get into all my bonuses, let's check out the members area. So here we have the members area. We have upgrade to pro, support, log out, and join the elite. That is Dawood's elite affiliate traders team that you can check out that right there. So we have the welcome here. We have a welcome from Dawood, Elite Tigers Group YouTube channel, Elite Tigers Group Facebook group. We have a welcome from Elaine Barker and her Facebook group as well. So you're going to be getting access to 2 different Facebook groups. So if you have any questions, someone in there is going to be able to help you out very quickly. And we have an overview about Place Your Link 2.0. So you're going to get a good idea of what this product is all about. The main training section, so you're going to have the introduction to the training, the testing of your URLs, which is very important, how to place your link, and how to promote it. Okay, and the view the rotator. So guys, click here, click to view the next link. So you would just go there, and then it'll show you how to use the rotator. Okay. Get your free copy. I Am Affiliate Funnels 2.0 by Kevin Fahey. All right, so no strings attached. All right, guys, you can check this out for yourself. This is still the demo version, so I don't know if all the links are working correctly or not. There are resources that they use, so they're going to show you how to make special squeeze pages, how to make regular squeeze pages. So here we have the Leads Leap Funnel System, so you can download the whole funnel here. The Leads Leap Profit System, you can download that here. The Mailer Profit System and the TE Profit System. The Tiger Elite, I believe that would be the profit system. Download this resource here. So you're going to be getting a lot of funnel systems right there at your disposal. And if I take you to the regular squeeze page, extra squeeze pages, access the resources right there. And of course, the training is going to show you what you're going to do with these special squeeze pages and the regular squeeze pages. We've got the conclusion and the bonuses, guys. So if I click on here, you're going to get access to your bonuses here, right there, guys, your bonus bundle here. Your upgrades are going to be all in here. So if you want to get that pro version to have 5 times the power, the 5 times the URL links, this is what you're going to do. Now we're going to look at these in my bonus page in more detail, guys, so I won't take up your time with this right now. Global ambassador bonuses, so we have some extra bonuses here too. So join the free product club, another bonus with the Elite Tigers, and the unadvertised bonus. So we have Eric Hammer with durable access to product here. James Kennedy is a great guy. Affiliate systems right here, the secret to being an efficient affiliate marketer. And Mike from Maine, also another nice guy. So free bonuses, how I make $500 each from using simple YouTube videos and how you can do that too. Click here. So you're getting a lot of videos, guys, or excuse me, bonuses, and we haven't even gotten to my mega bonus bundle yet. So let me take you now to my bonuses. The first bonus I'm going to give you is from my mentor, John O. Armstrong. This is a product called Byte. Byte is showing you how you can make $300 to $500 daily with crypto regardless of the Bitcoin price. So if you've been following Bitcoin right now, it is down quite significantly from the November highs, down to about 31,000 and change. So the good thing about Byte is you don't have to do any investing. You don't have to put any money in. It's not about buying and selling or day trading or swing trading or anything like that. It's all without investing a penny. So this is my first bonus. Another way that you can make some money on the side just by clicking on that link. Next one, guys, is if you are doing anything online or even just have your own business, if you want to be collecting emails, this is my own personal bonus. I made this specifically to help you how you can build an email list easily. It's going to show you a very simple way how you can do that. And guys, here is my mega bonus bundle, 100 amazing bonuses for free.
Oh, gnarly!
That's right. Okay, so also my mentor John O gave me some extra bonuses that I want to give you. We have the Access Backlink Warrior. That is for the first 24 hours only though, so it is time sensitive. If you want to be getting Place Your Link 2.0, do it within the first 24 hours so you're going to be accessing this bonus as well. Next one, guys, learn how to get better conversion. Next one, how to explode your YouTube channel. So with Mike from Maine's bonus and my bonus here, how to explode your YouTube channel, you're going to be a YouTube master. Boomerang Buddy Pro, and of course all of the vendor bonuses that I'm going to show you in a minute in the sales page. Guys, here I am. This is Kieran G. Hogg, my website. You can check that out, learn more about me, how I make these videos, why I make these videos. There might be some videos in there that can help you make money online as well. Oh, okay, I'm back, guys. I had to leave. My son has COVID, so the whole family is stuck in the house for a few days. All right, let me take you to the sales page. Hold on. First, let me show you how you're going to get all your bonuses. So if I take you to the sales page, you click on any button like this, click here to get instant access. Then it's going to take you to Warrior Plus. You click on this blue button here, and then you're going to get this page here. So you're going to get all of the bonuses right here. And if I take you to my mega bonus bundle, you're going to see there are 100 bonuses here. Things about YouTube, things about Instagram, Facebook, other lesser known platforms that there isn't as much competition, how you can get lots of traffic, lots of tutorials, lots of video tutorials, PDFs, Amazon, Teespring plugins. If you have your own website, how you can do a lot of things with that, marketing videos, all kinds of stuff, guys, to really crush it in affiliate marketing. You're going to get them all for free as a way of saying thank you. And you can use these, you can absorb the material, you can use it for your brand, your business, you can give them away. So there's unlimited good stuff in here, my friends. Now, let me take you actually to the sales page. So you're gonna have a video here with Dawood explaining more about what Place Your Link 2.0 is, guys. And as I said, it works in any niche. Submit your link once and get free daily traffic. All the clicks from real buyers, totally newbie friendly, no list required, no videos, and it all gets set up in seconds. Okay, so very simple by the sounds of it, and you got to see in the members area there is all the training, the videos, and everything is already provided for you. Here is some financial proof. They're doing fantastic. $1,301 yesterday, $1,600, or excuse me, $1,061 today. And here they are, Dawood and Elaine. Guys, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the sales page. I'm going to take you to the bonuses. We're going to see what they're going to have, and you can watch this sales page in more detail before you actually purchase Place Your Link 2.0. So let me take you down here. Okay, so what you're going to do, keep all the profits from Place Your Link 2.0. All your Place Your Link 2.0 commissions from your URL are yours. You keep all the profits. Again, it's very newbie friendly, scalable, sets up in seconds, works once, gets paid forever, works worldwide no matter where you happen to be living. You have a 30-day money-back guarantee. And here is just some of the results that Dawood is getting. Look at that, guys. 30 days, 22,000 and change. Incredible. All right, here are the bonuses, guys. So bonus number 1, 50% discount off of the Elite Academy. So that is Dawood's training, mentoring for life program. So once you're involved in there, you have training and support for life, and you're going to get a 50% off discount if you just click that right there. Exclusive Facebook group number 2, massive bonus bundle, get a huge bundle of over 50 products and upsells from 18 top marketers, the reseller rights to 20 of Dawood's previous products, and dedicated customer support 24/7 from our top team. So guys, a lot of value. Add that with my bonus bundle and all my exclusive bonuses and whatnot, you guys are getting a fantastic deal. Like I said, the front end is going to be $12.95, but there is, if I just refresh this, there is a $3 discount pop down window. So let me just go back up, and there you go. Click on here, you're going to get it for 10 bucks, okay? All that value just for 10 bucks. So let's take a look now at the price and the upsells. So here we go, guys. Place Your Link 2.0 is actually going to be $9.95, okay? Everything that you saw in there, all my bonuses, all Dawood's bonuses, you're going to get for 10 bucks. Now, Place Your Link Pro version. So with all that savings and all that value that you'll be getting, you can get the Pro version, the downsell, in my opinion, for 27. So you're going to have 5 times the power with this Pro version, all right? Total traffic fix, 197, downsell of 97. The done for you setup, your squeeze pages, send 10 times, and super solo ads to all the members, to all 25 of my own memberships in my MMO niche, plus your banner permanently on my 25 sites, plus enjoy the VIP upgrades at all of the sites to enjoy a massive traffic injection. Next one, the reseller rights at 47, downsell of 27. So you're going to get all the reseller rights and get 100% on the whole funnel. Weekly campaigns, 97, downsell of 47. So you're going to get 3 done for you campaigns each and every week. Includes done for you bonus page with review, product, bonus, and demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered for you. Requires Commission Gorilla. Commission Gorilla is currently this product, this page that I'm using right now to make this review video. Okay, it's only I think $24 a year, so it's not expensive. And guys, become a beta tester for the Elite Academy. So you can do it for 1,000 or 3 payments of 500. Become a beta tester for my new program, the Elite Academy, and join at less than half the regular price. Benefits include a guaranteed product launch with me and passive income at least twice a month from my sales rotators. All right. So you're going to probably want to get the upsell one, the downsell in my opinion. And if you want to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, you can either click on that link that I showed you down below at the beginning of my presentation, or you can consider upsell number 5 as well. All right, you guys, just to conclude, complete set and forget system works once and gets free daily traffic forever, works in any niche, no list, no videos, setup is in seconds. And again, you guys, you're going to get all of my exclusive bonuses plus my mega bonus bundle, all my bonuses from my mentor, and all of Dawood's bonuses as well, guys. So a lot of value that you're going to be getting if you use my link. All right, my friends, this concludes my review on Place Your Link 2.0. I hope you got some value from it. Hit that like button, leave a comment about your current situation with affiliate marketing. If you have any questions about it, or if you have a question about this product, let me know. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And hit that bell so you're always notified, guys. And I hope you got a lot of insight into Place Your Link 2.0. I want to thank you for your time, and please use my link if you want to pick this up. You'll get all that extra value included. And until then, best of luck on your journey, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.